replacement parts, please contact customer service with your previous order number. Begin by removing the screw holding the hook and loop fastener to the plastic square connector. Set the screw aside and move the fastener to the side, exposing the end of the connecting bar. With a pair of pliers, squeeze the tabs in and at the same time, push the connecting bar down and out. There are two types of connecting bars. There is the male connector. This one has a gray latch on the bottom that hooks onto the female connector. The female connector is a shorter connector with a hole in the center. Here we are replacing the male connector. Make sure to rotate the connector so the male's latch is facing the same way as the others, and insert it into the bottom of the plastic square connector. For the female connector, line up the gray notch in the same direction as the others in that row, and insert it into the square connector. Lastly, replace the screw into the hook and loop fastener and set the fastener back into place. Tighten the screw all the way to secure the hook and loop fastener back to the frame. Your pop-up is now repaired.